하루 10분 영어 회화 Speak Out.
Hello, welcome to 하루 10분 영어 회화 Speak Out. I'm Joyce Peck. In today's lesson, we're going to practice giving our opinions by comparing and evaluating. So we're going to compare things and we're going to evaluate, meaning give our opinion about whether it's good, whether you like it or you dislike it, etc. Now, if you were looking for a new house, if you're going to buy a house, what would be important to you? Perhaps the size? Perhaps the location? There are many things that you would consider. Those are the types of expressions that we're going to learn today. Let's get into today's key expressions. All right, here's the first one. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The living room isn't big enough. The living room isn't big enough. All right, where is the living room? The living room. In the house, it's the main room. It's usually quite large, and we have a sofa, and we watch TV, or we read books. Usually the whole family spends the time together in the living room. All right, in Korean, it's often referred to as 거실. So this sentence would be 거실은 충분할 정도로 크지 않아. 좀 작다는 뜻이죠. It's not big enough. Okay, second key expression. It's not as big as our last house. It's not as big as our last house. Okay, so we're talking about not as big as. So you're comparing two things, 두 가지를 비교하는 거죠. 우리 마지막 집, 우리 전집만큼 크지 않아. So you're looking here at the overall size. 사이즈를 보고 얘기를 하는 거죠. Next key expression. Repeat after me. There is only one bathroom. There is only one bathroom. Maybe they have a big family. Maybe they need 2 or 3 bathrooms, but in this house, there is only one bathroom. Sometimes people fight when there's only one bathroom, right? Okay, here is the final key expression. It doesn't have enough closet space. It doesn't have enough closet space. Okay, it doesn't have enough. 여기서도 뭔가 부족한데요. Closet space. Space는 공간이고요. Closet. What is a closet? A closet is where you put your clothes inside. You put your shirts and your pants and your jackets. Okay, that is a closet. 그래서 뭐 북박이 옷장이라고 보시면 됩니다. 그래서 북박이 옷장 공간이 충분하지 않아. 또는 뭐 좀 부족해. 이런 뜻입니다. Okay, I think you're ready for today's dialogue. Let's watch it, and I'll be back in just a moment.
So what do you think of the first house, Diane?
Well, it was nice, but the bedrooms were too small, and there was not enough closet space.
That's true. How about the second house?
Well, the bedrooms are bigger, but it's too far from the school.
I agree. And it's not as cheap as the other houses we saw.
So, how about the last house?
I thought the place was too dark. There were not enough windows, and all that dark wood was depressing.
You know, I didn't see anything as nice as our current house.
You're right. We'd be crazy to move.
In today's dialogue, we're going to learn about house hunting. House hunting. That means to find or to look for a house. You're hunting for a house. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Ellis, they return from looking at different houses, and now they are talking about them. Mr하고 Mrs. Ellis가 지금 집을 좀 찾는데요. 그 집들을 보고 나서 얘기를 하면서 비교를 한번 해봅니다. Let's get started. Mr. Ellis says, So what did you think of the first house, Diane? So what did you think of the first house, Diane? So they have seen many houses. Now, what do you think about the first one? The first one. 첫 번째 집을 어떻게 생각해? 여러 개의 집을 봤겠죠. 그죠? 그래서 첫 번째 집에 대해서 어떻게 생각해? So Mrs. Ellis 이름이 다이안이에요. Mrs. Ellis says, Well, it was nice. 뭐 괜찮았어. But the bedrooms were too small. The bedrooms were too small. Repeat after me. The bedrooms were too small. Okay, very good. The bedrooms, the size was not big enough. They're too small. The bedroom is where we sleep, right? Okay, so 하지만 침실이 너무 작았어. 침실들이 너무 작았어. 침실이 여러 개가 있죠. And there was not enough closet space. And there was not enough closet space. Do you remember closet space? Right, it's where we put our clothes, but there wasn't enough. It was too small. Maybe they have a lot of clothing, but there wasn't enough closet space. 아마도 미세스 앨리스가 첫 번째 집을 그렇게 마음에 들어 하는 것 같지 않아요. 우선 침실들이 너무 작고 그 다음에 북박이 옷장 공간이 부족했다고 평가를 하셨네요. Okay, Mr. Ellis says, that's true. 맞는 것 같아. How about the second house? How about the second house? Okay, so we have the first house, and then we have the second house. We can say, how about house number 1? How about house number 2? It's the same thing, okay, to say first, second, third, fourth. When we talk about an order, 순서를 얘기할 때 그렇게 얘기하죠. 두 번째 집은? 이라고 질문을 하고 Mrs. Ellis은 이렇게 대답을 합니다. Well, the bedrooms are bigger. The bedrooms are bigger. 침실은 좀 더 컸지만 but it's too far from the school. 따라해보세요. It's too far from the school. It's too far from the school. That means it's not close. It's too far. 침실은 더 컸지만 학교에서 너무 멀어. 만약에 회사에서 너무 멀면 어떻게 얘기를 하죠? It's too far from work. Very good. 백화점에서 너무 멀면 It's too far from the department store. Yes, very good. And then Mr. Ellis says, I agree. 동의해. And it's not as cheap as the other houses we saw. It's not as cheap as 뭐뭐만큼 뭔가 이렇게 비교했을 때 as something as, in this case, as cheap as the other houses we saw. 그래서 그리고 우리가 본 다른 집들만큼 싸지 않아. 가격에 대해서 얘기를 하는 거예요. cheap. cheap means not a lot of money. cheap의 반대는 뭐죠? expensive. Yes, very good. So it's not as cheap as the other houses. 다른 집들만큼 가격이 낮지 않아, 싸지 않아 라고 대답을 합니다. Okay, so then Mrs. Ellis says, so how about the last house? How about the last house? 그러면 마지막으로 본 집은 어때? It's the third house. 세 번째 집이죠. 그래서 이렇게 질문해도 됩니다. So how about the third house? How about the third house? And then we have the answer, I thought the place was too dark. I thought the place was too dark. 여기서 place는 어디죠? 세 번째 집을 얘기를 하는 거죠. I thought the place was too dark. 그럼 여기서는 너무 어두웠어. 그곳은 너무 어두웠던 것 같아. Okay, so 밝지 않고 뭔가 어두웠나 봐요. 설명을 하는데 there were not enough windows. Repeat after me. There were not enough windows. Maybe they want lots of windows, but there are only a few, right? So 창문이 충분하지 않았고, and all that dark wood was depressing. All that dark wood was depressing. Depressing means 우울하다. 뭔가 우울했어요. 이 집 분위기가 뭔가 우울했는데 뭐가 우울했죠? All that dark wood. dark는 뭔가 어둡다는 뜻인데 wood, 나무. 그래서 약간 그 짙은 목재색이 좀 우울했다. 이렇게 설명을 합니다. 창문도 부족한 데다가 그 목재색이 되게 짙어서 그 집안 전체적인 분위기가 좀 우울했던 것 같다. Okay, Mrs. Ellis says, you know, I didn't see anything as nice as our current house. I didn't see anything as nice as our current house. 또 한번 비교를 하죠. 현재 지금 살고 있는 집, current house와 비교를 하는데 지금 살고 있는 집만큼 좋은 집을 못 봤어. So they saw 3 houses, but one had a small room. The rooms were bigger, but it was too far from the school. And one was too dark. So 지금 현재 살고 있는 집만큼 괜찮은 집을 못 봤다고 얘기를 합니다. So Mr. Ellis says, you're right. We'd be crazy to move. We'd be crazy to move. 여기 crazy는 미쳤다는 뜻이 아니고요. 여기 crazy는 좀 말도 안 돼 라는 뜻이에요. 그래서 지금 우리가 이사하는 게 말도 안 되지. 우리 지금 사는 집만큼 좋은 집이 없으니까. Okay? Alright, this dialogue is kind of long, but be sure to review it on your own and it'll help you understand it better. Let's watch it one more time.
So what do you think of the first house, Diane?
Well, it was nice, but the bedrooms were too small, and there was not enough closet space.
That's true. How about the second house?
Well, the bedrooms are bigger, but it's too far from the school.
I agree. And it's not as cheap as the other houses we saw.
So, how about the last house?
I thought the place was too dark. There were not enough windows, and all that dark wood was depressing.
You know, I didn't see anything as nice as our current house.
You're right. We'd be crazy to move.
In today's lesson, we learned to voice our opinions by comparing and evaluating. Be sure to do the review and practice out loud in order to get better. All right, I'll see you again in the next lesson. Goodbye!